Welcome back everyone. Today we will learn big friend addition. Now why do we need to learn big friends? Let us understand with these two examples. After that I'll explain you how and when to apply big friend formula. Now before we start, if you haven't learned about small friends yet, check out my earlier videos, or else you can also find the link in the description below. Let us start with the first question. First one. 1 plus 9. I have 1. I want to add 9. How will I add 9? I can add 5, 6, 7 and 8. I can only add 8, but I am not able to add 9. Okay, let's try with the second question. 2 plus 2 and add 9. Now again, how will I add 9? I can only add 5. I cannot add 9. So, direct 9 is not possible. So now here we have to use the big friend formula. Now you must be thinking, what are big friends? Now big friends are similar to small friends, but they are the complements with respect to 10. In other words, big friends are the two numbers or the friends that add up to total of 10. In this video, we will learn about big friends. Now, look at this. 1 plus 9 equals to 10. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. 3 plus 7 equals to 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 1 is also 10. So these are the big friends. Always remember, in big friends, who is the boss? 10 is the boss. So 10 is the boss number in big friends. So I can also say 1 and 9 are friends. 1 is the friend of 9 and 9 is the friend of 1. Same way, 2 plus 8 is 10. So 8 plus 2 is also 10. Today we are going to learn big friend addition of 9. Okay, now let's have a look. I have 9 fingers, correct? So if I ask you, who is the friend of 9? 1 is the friend of 9. 9 fingers, so 1 is the friend of 9. Because 9 plus 1 is 10. Now let's go back to this question here. We are learning about big friend formula of 9. Okay. As we know, the big friend, the boss number is 10. Okay, in the big friend, I write again. Big friend formula of 9. So in the big friend, boss is number 10. Now I want to add 9. I want to add 9. So the first thing, let's follow the statement. It says add the boss. So who's the boss here? Add the boss 10 and less the friend of 9. So we add the boss 10 and less the friend of 9. Who's the friend of 9? 1. We know 9 and 1 are friends. Okay. Now let's try using this statement. First one. 1 plus 9. I have 1 here plus 9. So how will I add 9 here? The formula says add the 10. I will add the 10 and less 1. I will less 1. So my answer is 10. Next one. 2 plus 2 add 9. Now again let's follow the formula. Add 9 is add the 10 and less 1. So my answer is 13. Now, with the help of this formula, using this formula, let us solve few more questions. Okay? Let's start. Let us solve these sums using the big friend addition of 9. So for adding 9, first we need to add the 10 and less 1. That is 9's friend is 1. The first one, 3. 9. Add 9. The formula says add the 10 and less 1. Add 5. Okay. So my answer is 17. Next one. 8 less 2. Add 9. Again the formula. Add the 10 and less 1. So my answer is 15. Next one. 6. Add 2. Add 9. The formula says add 10 less 1. So my answer is 17. Next one. 7 less 5. Add 9. Again add 9. Add 10 less 1. So my answer is 11. Next one. 4 9. How do I do it? Add 10 less 1. Again less 2. We can do it directly? Yes. So my answer is 11. Okay. Let's level up. Let's try 2-digit numbers now. Okay. First question. 18 less 2. 18 less 2. We can do it directly. Yes. Less 2. Add 9. Again, we cannot do it directly. So, add the 10 less 1. So, my answer is 25. Next one. 29. Add 9. Again, the formula. Add the 10 less 1 less 5. We can do it directly. So my answer is 33. Next question. 36. Add 9. Add 9 again. Add the 10 less 1 less 5. Can we do it? Yes, we can. My answer is 40. Next one. 63. 63 less 2. Less 2. Add 9. We cannot do it directly because we only have 8 here. So again the formula, add the 10 less 1. So my answer is 70. The last one, 79. 79 less 3. Less 3. Add 9. Add 9 is add the 10 and less 1. So my answer is 85. So we have solved all the 10 questions using the big friend addition formula. I hope you are now clear with this concept and you will be able to solve the task independently. And this is the task for today. If you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to write them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.